How's it going, guys? It's Kyle with the How To Guy 123 here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use multiple monitors on a VirtualBox virtual machine. First, have your VM set up and running, and make sure that you have VirtualBox Guest Editions installed. If you don't have VirtualBox Guest Editions installed, go to the top left hand corner of your VM, and then on the toolbar click Devices, then click Insert Guest Editions CD Image. Now in Windows, head to the File Explorer, then click on this PC. Under CD drive, you'll see the VirtualBox Guest Edition setup. Now go ahead and double click on it, and that should open up the installer. Now just follow the installer to install Guest Editions. So once the installation has finished, you'll now need to reboot your VM, so go ahead and do so. Now that our VM has been restarted, you can now go back to this PC and eject the Guest Editions CD image. Also at this point, I usually go to Windows' display settings to maximize the resolution of our VM's main display if it hasn't been changed automatically. To open the display settings, just right click on your desktop and choose Display Settings. Here, make sure that the resolution is as high as it can go. My monitor has a resolution of 2560 by 1440, and I'm running the virtual machine in windowed mode, so setting this to 2560 by 1335 is fine. Once that is done, go ahead and shut down your virtual machine. Now in the VirtualBox Manager, have your virtual machine selected, then click on Settings at the top of the screen. Once the Settings window has opened, choose the Display tab. Here is where we will configure our monitors. First, under Video Memory, make sure that this is set to the max. In my case, I have this set at 256 megabytes. Next, under Monitor Count, this is the number of monitors you will use for your VM. I have 3 monitors connected to my host machine, so you can see that the green bar recommends a use of up to 3 monitors. However, you can choose a max of 8 monitors, even if you don't have these monitors connected to your host machine. What VirtualBox does is it will open a separate window for each display of your guest machine, and you'll be able to position them on your host machine however you would like. But for this tutorial, I'm going to keep it simple and just choose 2 monitors. The next setting is Scale Factor. This will zoom in your displays to make text, apps, and images bigger and easier to read. I usually just leave this at default. Next, under Graphics Controller, set this to VBox SVGA on Windows-based VMs and VMSVGA for Linux-based VMs. After that, check Enable 3D Acceleration, as this will increase the speed of your VMs. However, I'm going to leave this unchecked in my case, as I was experiencing some graphical glitches on my virtual machine when having this enabled. So try to enable 3D acceleration, and if you're having some issues, come back and disable it. Otherwise, that should be it for the settings. Click on OK to close the settings, and then start your virtual machine. Now that our virtual machine has booted up, we can now enable our second monitor. To do this, go to the top left hand corner of your VM, and on the toolbar click View, then go down to Virtual Screen 2. Then click on Enable. Now a second window will open, and this window will act as your second monitor. Now head back into the Windows display settings like we did earlier, and we can adjust the resolutions of our displays if needed. The nice thing about these displays is that the resolution should adapt to how you have the windows positioned on your monitor. Also set multiple displays to extend these displays, as we don't want our monitors to be duplicated and show the same picture. We want the displays to be extended so we can move windows between displays and have different windows shown on each display. You can also rearrange your displays to how you have them positioned. For example, if your second monitor is to the left of your main monitor, then click and drag the second monitor to the left of the first monitor in the display settings. Once you click on Apply and you try to move a window to the left of your screen, it will extend to your second monitor. Finally, move one of your display windows to a secondary monitor. Here's what's displayed on my second monitor. Then press Ctrl F to full screen your displays, and you'll be able to use your virtual displays of your guest machine seamlessly. And that brings us to the end of the tutorial. If this video helped, please leave a like. If it didn't, leave a dislike. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to help you guys out. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.